Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press on your subscribe button. At this point, we have over 300 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, chemistry. If you want to reach us, or you want to make a comment, or you want online class, you can reach us with this line 2348034495990. You can do three things with this line. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram data, either of the three. In this video, I'll be walking you on through variation, which is, we are still on variation, which is still on, I'll be on the inverse variation. Now, when we talk about inverse variation, I think I've explained in our previous video what is called relation. Variation means relationship between two or more variables. Now, that's what it means by what? The variation. But this time around, when you hear the word inverse variation is always like this. When we have y inverse to what? 1 all over x. Now, this is called what? Inverse variation. Inverse variation. Now, it means it is inverse to each other. Now, when I have something like this, I told last time that before there will be a relation, there must be a what? A constant value, which is my y equals to k1 all over x. At this point, this k is called constant. K is called constant. It means that constant, it causes the what? The effect. Now, if with this, I think it's getting better. Now, if I have this type of problem, for instance, somebody asks me this problem: if y varies inversely as s squared and y equals to 48 when x equals to 3, find y when x equals to 4. Now, this is a very nice question that somebody can ask you anywhere. Now, solution to this problem, what you need to know there is that a common word for inverse variation is inversely. Inversely varies. Inversely varies or proportion. Anyhow you want. You can use a word. You can use a word varies or proportion. Anyone you see, just note that we are talking about inverse variation. It can be inversely proportional. It can also be varies inversely. Anyhow you see it. Now, when you see something like this, it means y equals y to what? Relate with what? X, which is y, can now be equals to k dot. Now, at this point, this k, we call it, k is called constant. K is called constant. Now, since I know k is constant, I can now say my k equals to what? Yx. That is what is called inverse variation. My k equals to, now we have given the value of x and y. Now it means my k will be equals to what? 48 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3, which is I will be having, which is, sorry, we're talking about square. There is square here, there is square here, because this is carrying square. Now, which is I'll be having 3 squared, which is k multiplied by what? 9. Multiplied by 9. My k equals to 432. That is my k. Now, the relationship now, what is the relationship within the, it means y equals to k 1 all over s squared. Y equals to, which is going to be 432 divided by x squared. Now, somebody now asks me to find x, find y when x is what? 4. It means we are looking for y when s is 4, it means y equals to what? 432 divided by 4 squared, which is y equals to 432. If I want to do it very well, I can say that 48 multiplied by 9 divided by what? 16. Here 1, here 3. Now, y, it can be equals to 3 multiplied by 9, which is my y equals to 27. That is my answer. My y equals to 27. Now, let me show another problem that can also be of help. Now, look at this question. I have this type of problem here. A set of rectangle all have the same area as x. The length of the side of the rectangle increase while the length of the other side of the triangle decrease. So y is inversely proportional to x when x is 2 centimeters, when x is 2 centimeters, y is 8 centimeters. 1. The relationship between x and y. 2. Find y when s is 24. 3. Find x when y is 12. Now, this is a very nice question that anybody can ask you. Now, even though this thing is not given on the question, now you can see that one is increasing and the other one is what? Is decreasing. That is the relationship. It means they are inverse to each other. They are inversely proportional to each other. But thank God for the one that drew this question, that this inversely proportional, which it will tell you that what? Solution to this problem. Now, which it will tell you that what? I'm talking about s and y, which is y to what? To x. Now, since I have that y will be equals to k1 all over x. Now, since I have that, my k will be equals to yx. Now, they now ask us to find the relationship. When x is what? This, it means my k will be equals to 2. My k will be equals to 2 multiplied by 18, which is my k equals to 36. That is my k. My k equals to 36. Since my k is 36, I cannot continue by having, now, when my k is 36, now I'm asked to find the first one, find y, when x is what? Number 1, number 2. Now, relationship, before that, relationship equation will now be equals to y equals to k all over x. Y all over Now it means k equals to 36 all over. Now this is the relationship. That is the relationship. Since I know the relationship, I can now move on by having the second question, which is, this is number 1. The second question now asks us to find y when s is equals to. It means s equals to 24. Now, I can now say that, now it's now be what? Y equals to 36 divided by 24. Now, y equals to 26 all over, now, yes. We have to find y. Okay. Equals to 24. Whatever we have there, but I'm avoiding something that is not okay. Okay, since I have that, it means my y, it will be all over 12. Okay, now that is my x. Now I can now move on again. If and number 3, I'm asked to find x when it means my y equals to 36 all over x. Now, what is my y? My y is 12, 36 all over 12. It means 12x equals to 36. My x equals to 36 all over 12. Now, which is equals to 36 all over 12 is always 6 times 12. Now, which I will be having, that is what we need to find there. Okay, now this one will be 3. My s will be 3. Now, my y will be 1.5. That is my answer. You can see that this part is very, very, very simple. Once again, don't forget that you are home with Further Solutions Academy. You are home with Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press on your subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching.